Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Ford Explorer. Top features include front fog lights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, power front seats, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.